All right, here we are. Welcome everybody to AWS DeepRacer Underground here at the London Loop. Sorry, we apologize for some of the technical difficulties, but we're a little rusty at this. We're not doing this 2-3 times a month. We're only trying, we get this out once a month. As always, my name's John Meyer, and right there, Mr. David Smith. David, take it away.
Yeah, good afternoon. Having some slight problems with our camera angles, the cars, pretty much everything actually. The only thing that is working is my face mask, which as I'm not near anyone, I'm not wearing right now. We have our guest driver who will be coming around in a second, and if he kneels down in front of the camera, you might be able to see Thomas or Bread-Centric from the community. So we have a professional driver with us today, which may be why the cars aren't behaving as well as they should be. But there we go. We'll see how it goes. We're going to go with object avoidance first on the reInvent 2018 track. We've got a couple of models to go through, and we'll see. We've only got one box. It's not a box of doom, so sadly we haven't set fire to it yet. We did check with the building people, and they said we weren't allowed to set fire to anything. So maybe next time we have to find a new venue that allows us to set fire to things. I think that'll definitely help. But we'll get this model lined up, and we'll see how we go.
All right, sounds good. Now, who up first? Are we going in reverse order?
Yeah, we're going in reverse order. Let's go see which model it is first. We're loading because not all of them worked either, and I haven't got all of them, and it's just been stressful.
Okay, so I have AJM model Andy up, right? Correct?
I don't know. We're just checking first. Which model is it loading?
I think it's OA5.
So it's OA5, whoever that is. The last.
That is correct. OA5 just happens to be AJM, which is also
Cool.
Andy, which mystery racer. I don't know. All right, let's do this.
Right. Okay, we're just waiting for it to load. We have one box slightly out of camera shot at the moment, but I'm sure the car can hit it for us with great aplomb. They usually do.
All
So,
right.
yeah, really you are. Okay, we've got 3 minutes on the clock, and we're going to start racing. Whenever.
All right, let's do it.
Let's go. Just start it. It started, and we're off to a flying start as ever.
Wow, look how quick that's going.
Yeah.
That is avoiding your foot as it goes around. Oh, wait a second. I'm watching the wrong camera angle here. Is the car turned on?
We've done. It is turned on. It's just so we're going to set the initial lap by just kicking it around the track. Let's see how that works out.
Wow, look at it avoid that box on the first straightaway here. This is really doing great.
Yes, look how fast that lap was.
Yeah.
Invalid lap, by the way.
Man, I'll tell you, I'm glad we do this in a production fashion.
Just load it up and see what happens. We're just going to reload the model and we're going to go again. So you're going to reset the time.
No problem.
Yeah, we'll reset the time. Sorry? Yeah, why not? Then we can watch it fly off the line as lucky last time.
Yeah, at least you have some sturdy barriers.
It's still loading.
No, it's not ready yet. Almost. Yeah, got some sturdy barriers. We have a slightly older track boss chasing the cars over here though than you do down in your basement.
Now, David, something for future that we might want to do is get a camera that faces up, and I can pull your feet into a dual one so we can get some headshots there instead of looking at half your body.
Yeah, I think you're seeing the best half, to be honest.
Yeah, well,
Right, we're going again. Oh, it moved. It moved.
It's moving. There it goes.
It moved. There we go.
All right. Oh, flick it. Oh, right around that box. And it's really hugging that right side in a slow Sunday driving fashion. And back to the center line just a tad.
Come on.
All right.
I think
so the model was confirmed. This is Roberto's model. Roberto, glad to have you here on it. The first round, by the way, the Evos were not really heavily used last year, obviously the lockdown and summits, but David and I really kind of pioneered and got the Evo started onto the track. David has a nice 2019. No, you have a 2018 wide right there.
18 wide. Yeah, man, they're really hard to pick up as well with a LiDAR vest. It moves. Come on.
Up. Still on the track. Roberto, glad to have you on here. Abraham, yeah, DR Socks. Yeah, I think if everybody was at some summits, you get there. All right, we have the first lap. And by the way, I got to bring up this lap timer because I cannot see it real close. Hold on a second, folks, as I bring up the lap timer so I can see what lap we have. Don't mind me.
Racing doesn't get more exciting than this.
Well, it does if you and I were on the same track there. Cheers to that.
Come on.
Yes, please kick it around. All
Go straight off on that corner.
right.
Go on. No?
All right, where are we
No?
at?
I was going to kick it off. Let's a reset. There we go. Put it back down so it goes around the corner.
Down, just, put it on the floor.
Yeah. We've got Brad-centric here driving, suggesting we just basically throw it down the track to give it some momentum.
So, David, are you wearing your heart rate monitor?
I am. That is.
There we go. You're only at 96.
How exciting is it? Well,
yes.
So exciting.
That's pretty cool. I'm gonna have to send a screenshot to everybody to see a bigger view than what's on the track there. So we have the best lap of 1 minute and 4 seconds. Oh no, that was the last lap. Actually, that was the last and the best lap. Oh, okay, so we're doing pretty good here. Oh,
How many we've got left? Yeah. Oh, this could be the last lap, I think. Is that it? Is it finished? Oh, that was time up. Did you got the time there, John?
yeah. What's the 1 second here as I was responding?
Okay, don't hit reset yet.
Yes, always please confirm it. By the way, I'm doing dual chat and jumping on there. So I have the best lap of 51.710, correct?
Yep, might as well be. Yep. So chuck it in, and we'll get ready for the next one.
All right, folks. Here it is. Let's see if I updated the leaderboard correctly and the right one. Are we ready? Are we ready?
Yep.
Submit.
Yeah, we're ready. Reset.
Hold on. 51. Come on. Update. Man, this is strenuous. I did the right one. Looks like my leaderboard is not updating.
Man, we're rusty on this. We should have done a test and a preamble and stuff. Definitely
no,
not stand there with my head cut off.
I actually think it's not refreshing. Here, hold on a second. Let's refresh. Why is it not? I just did it. David Timekeeper. Yeah, for some reason, the leaderboard's not updating for me, Mr. David. So
I don't have to check reset.
I didn't do it.
Yeah, so you just do lap. Do lap, yeah. You good?
The leaderboard's not.
Got a lap on?
Yeah, 51.710. Though the leaderboard did not update.
Let me just check it this and see if I can give it a poke. Going so smoothly.
Yeah, resend me the actual timekeeper link. Maybe that's the one getting the issues here. Guys, sorry, we are very rusty at this. We apologize, but we have a lot of fun. We want to bring you some of these adventures of object avoidance and some time trials on the track. I wish I had some music.
As you went past so socially, which is impressive.
So, David, are you on Slack there? This is the link that I have that I was using, which, yeah, that's the same one. Maybe because I pre-populate. Hold on a second. Let's see if this will update for me. I can hear David typing on his own. Maybe he's trying to update it for me. And, man, I can just not. Display name already taken. Yeah, that's very weird, folks. All right. Well,
seeing any entries here on the time thing on leaderboard. Let me just give me a second. Refresh the admin.
Yeah, because it says that the display name is already taken.
Okay, give me a second. I'm going to remove. Yeah. Okay, give me a second.
Yeah. I think this is not on me this time. It is not me for updating the leaderboard. I'm going to put this on David, but he had to set up a full track in the London office. Here I get to set it up in my basement. He has to travel. We'll give him a little bit of reprieve on it. Okay, we'll do a little refresh.
Just quickly go into the database and have a muck around in there.
Hey, if that doesn't work, no big deal. We can continue on, and we'll write it down, and we'll do the announcements at the end. For the next model that's up, Robin, I tell you, your model here crushed me on my underground track with my wife. I lost thanks to your model, but don't worry about it. Here we're going to see how well it does on David's track, and up next after that is Debro and then JJ.
Yeah, I haven't got a model from JJ.
No model. Oh, I see that. Okay, hey, this
Nope,
is going to be a quick round. Sorry, JJ, no model. Yeah. How's it working there?
Oh, I can't get into it. You're gonna have to busk it on the timer. Give me a second actually on the timer. I might be able to do it another way. Give me.
I can just add. It just says the display name's taken. I can just add another indicator to the display name. No big deal. As in Roberto's model. Okay.
Just kind of wondering who's name we've got going there. We haven't got a lot of data in the moment.
I don't know, folks. All right. Well, we're gonna try this one. AJ1. I'm just gonna enter one and continue with it.
Yeah, we'll get the next. We'll try and get another object avoidance model up and see how that does. Because the last one worked well.
I agree.
Sorry?
I can't find it on the spot.
Which model?
All right.
Which one?
There was the object avoidance 3, which was with a single camera, but
rolling on.
Oh, okay. We might have. Where is it? Robin Castro DBS, which he basically did an object avoidance on a single cam, according to this.
Interesting.
Yeah, that's good. Well, to be fair, I mean, the last model was a success on a Evo. So we're just loading the model onto a time trial car. We're going to whiz it around and see what happens.
All right, let's do it. Let's rock it. Well, I'm not sure what the connection is here, but I am getting some grainy activity here on OBS in it. All right, no big deal. It'll catch up. It'll get clear just like that. And then it's back. All right, folks. All right, who do we got here? We have 9 concurrent viewers. Where is everybody? Hey, Andrew. Oh, it was mine, but wow, it performed different there. Okay. Yes, Andrew, that was AJM. Oh, I apologize. Roberto, that was his model that wasn't moving. That would have been funny. Andrew, yes, that was your model there at 51.7 of a second. Don't worry about it.
Loaded. Okay, that's not loading either. So
no,
that's nope. That was OA3 Robin Castro DBS, which was the OA single cam model that you sent me. That's not loading. Nope. So we're going to go to OA2 hopefully, which maybe we'll get a model eventually.
Well, OA2 is Debro. Debro is up. So now we have really a head-to-head of second place.
We'll stick it on. We'll load it up and try it.
That was the first one that we tried.
Wait.
Is it?
Yeah.
Wait, what are we doing,
okay,
folks?
we're saying so Debros doesn't work either.
What? What is going on here?
Yeah. Debros model does not work. If he's on the chat,
he is on the thing. Oh, let's see.
From that, we're going to be going on to rookie.
Well, let me get some things updated. And
is it loaded?
Oh, Debro said sad face on.
Okay, we're going to try it again. We've got it loaded. We'll see if we can get it to work, and if we can't, we'll just go straight on to rookie time trial. Yeah, well, we've got it loaded. We're going to see if it works or not.
All right,
and we'll go from there.
Here we go.
Well, in a second, here we go. All right, you ready, Thomas?
Yep.
Ow.
Track boss ready. Pit crew
yeah,
ready. Let's do it.
Count it down.
3,
it's not
2,
going.
1,
the car's started.
Go.
No, we've done that.
3, 2, 1, go.
Let me do the quick obvious check of make sure it's turned on still, even though it was last time round. Yeah, I can hear the motor going. Come on.
Come on, little buddy. Come on.
It's not going at all.
All right.
I don't know what DeepRacer did to the Evo. Liking it.
Yeah, interesting. Okay.
Okay.
Are you trying to will it across? All right.
Yeah, just kind of like, come on, car.
You want to go home?
Okay,
go home. All right.
Come on. Okay, so, I'm gonna say that's not working.
So real quick, Andrew's indicating that it took a little bit for his model to reload. Was this the first time you loaded it on the car? Do you want to load it 3, 4, maybe 5 times and it'll work? Or
yeah, I'm not sure that's going to help us. I think it just doesn't work. Sorry, Debra, you don't get to race today. Hopefully, your time trial model's better today.
All right, so let me change over a few things here for our next one, and we're going to go in reverse order. And when you're doing rookie on the time trial, rookie number 4 will be up first, and then we have rookie number 1. So it's going to be basically one against the other. And look at that fast track change happening. Woo! Oh man, I'm gonna lower. Yeah, I hope sorry for all the noise, folks. I did remove the volume from David for a second. Now let's change this over to rookie time trial. And hopefully the leaderboard works for me this time. If it doesn't, well, so congratulations to AJ for first place at 51.7 of a second on object avoidance. All right, awesome job.
Do we count it as a winner when there's only one participant?
I guess so. Yes, it does. Because if you enter a race and only one person wants to enter the race, you automatically, hey, what if you don't finish? He
True,
at least got a lap around.
Did a lap. Yep. Okay. Time trial. Let's go. Sorry? Yep. We got. What? Okay. I've got an Evo back for the first one. Which model's this? Hey, is that you one? No, you've got rookie 5 on the time trial car.
2. Rookie 1 and rookie 5.
We only have rookie 4 first in the list.
Oh, we're so slick today.
Hey, David, for the rookie list in number 5, I don't have an indication you have the model, so rookie 4 is on the list.
Yeah, I've got rookie 4. Yeah, that's my professional driver making the mistake there with the rookie 4, 5 confusion, not me.
Hey, David, I think something's up with the leaderboard. It is not updating anything. I put you on the leaderboard, and it's not updating. Right. So the leaderboard is not going to work today. Sorry, folks.
That just sums it up nicely. Leaderboard not working.
I hope everybody loves this and gets a kick out. What do we got going here? I use version 4 model, by the way. Wait for. Yeah, that's Roberto, I hope you definitely. David's got the transition down pat. So quite the review, yeah.
Maybe we should have done this with no one watching first. We shouldn't have streamed it.
You mean we should have had a 30-minute preview of us testing this out and going through? Folks, we are bringing you this live, unscripted, totally messed up, and having a lot of fun at doing it. I hope everybody enjoys it. You know what? I think I might remove myself from camera. I don't know if I should associate myself with everything that's happening on this event.
You're as guilty as me on this one.
And we had a prep call, and we're like, yeah, we got this. Man, we should have a dry run, an unannounced dry run, and you're going there and we're planning it all.
Problem with that is I have to get the space booked in the office and enough people to help me set up the track.
This is good. I love this.
We're just trying getting a car going with the models.
Robin said that he's indicating you use version 4. So Robin, your model says OAA number 3. Number 3 is your positioning on the race today. We have 5 today, so we just call them out. So when they load up on the tablet, we can select 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and go right in a very correct order. excuse me, David and I do it a little bit differently, where I'll put
Still
5 in
crashing.
front of it
Okay,
and the
it's done.
names. And I'm done talking because David's ready to go, right? I don't see a car on the track, so I don't.
We might be. You carry on talking.
Wait, you actually encouraged me to talk more?
Yep.
So folks, how you doing today?
Yep.
I don't know. Yeah, that's pretty good.
Amazing. This car is not showing any models, even though they've just uploaded them all.
This is just a day for the ages. You know what it is, David? You are doing this on a Wednesday. We normally do this on a Tuesday. We have to back up a date in order to get this done.
So it is. The cars are normally resting today.
Yes, they are recovering. I mean, they should be recovered. Is this one of the normal cars that you use?
Yep, this is one of my ones we used last time round, as was the Evo. But
so, how's the weather there in London?
Well, it's actually quite sunny out in London today. It's okay, and it's getting busier. It seems, we're kind of easing lockdown a little bit. They're making it a bit busier outside, and yeah. Let's talk. Can we just give up and just kind of pack it all up and go home?
No, you cannot. But though that might happen if you can't get these loaded on the cars, because what else are we doing here? Unless you're going to sing and dance in front of the camera, I don't have any acts to perform.
No one wants me singing and dancing. Although, if my head wouldn't be involved in the shots, that's okay.
You could run and slide like you're trying to recover a car to see if we can reenact.
So I could practice getting the cars and that sort of stuff. No, I'm good, I think. Okay, so all the...
Ooh,
we've
so
got the USB stick, we've got all the models loaded.
Does it work?
Nah, we've not got any models loaded onto that one of the cars. It's a different car.
So Debro brings up a good point. Debro, I didn't even notice about this. So everybody's talking about version 4. Is it that the issue the models are now using version 4? Is that the new software update? Debro, is that the new software update? Sorry, I've been a little disconnected from the DeepRacer stuff and community. Focusing on some other initiatives, though it's nice to be back here and helping David out. And I don't even know if I'm helping. I'm just like entertaining. Yeah, okay. That's a very good point. David, were these cars in storage?
Yep.
Okay, was there
Is there
an
a software update we
to
need to run on them? Not today. Is there one due?
Do you have Debro's old version 3 model? Debro 6, do you have that?
Probably somewhere. If not, can you ping it across to me and we'll try it on the car?
Yeah. Hold on a second. I gotta dig it out. I have this saved specifically in my my trusty greatest dad mug from my son, and I keep my USB in there. And I'm just talking just to talk anyway. All right, let's get these guys going. Oops, never put the USB in, right? All right, let's drop this to you. David, Debro 6 will be coming your way.
Coming at you.
Yeah. If you have any version 3s, thanks, Jokum. Appreciate it. Hey,
They're all saying nice things.
Mm-hmm. All right, Debro 6 is coming your way. I also have a number of the Army Navy models if we wanted to test them out, but try Debro 6. We know that works. It's actually being sent to you right now. As soon as it gets processed and upload, and now it's being sent to you. There we go. All right. Where's the llama? Oh, you want the llama? I got the llama. Don't worry.
Sorry. You get the llama to do a dance.
There we go. How's that, folks? So as most of you know, I'm not doing any more underground DeepRacer events in my basement. Things are going a little production around here, and I'm not doing it from here, but David is. He's got the full track. Plus, my kids went back to school full time, so I don't even have a pit crew. I can't do any events. So with that, I'm supporting David, doing some remote stuff, helping him out, and I got my llama. But don't worry.
It's a very cute llama. It's a good llama.
Yes. It doesn't talk back.
All right.
All right. How are we doing there? David, you should be doing this work on camera
Yeah.
so people can see you. Right now, they're only seeing me in an empty track. It's kind of boring.
Yeah, that's cool. That's fine. It means you can't see me stressing at my laptop trying to make everything work.
Hey, Thomas, you want to get on the thing? Maybe push around the car for the track? Light a box on? No, just kidding. Just kidding.
Yeah, no setting boxes on fire.
I did not say that. I said light a box and I stopped. However you want to interpret it afterwards, remember, we are live. You know, if somebody watches this on playback, all they're going to see is me talking to an empty track and your voice in the background. I'm not sure if this makes for good TV.
I think we've done better, is what you're saying, isn't it?
Oh man, I'd like to apologize, but I think I'm getting a kick out of this at the same time. Oh, we just got another viewer on here. Welcome to the show, viewer. We're here trying to get some cars to work on. Thanks, Andrew. We're cars some work on our AWS DeepRacer Underground, the London Loop. Now, David is there in the background. Thomas is there in the background, and there's a camera. Isn't there a cameraman? Woman, man, sorry.
Yeah, we've got to go on the camera, but you know, the camera shots we've got don't really show kind of the picture area. We should probably maybe think about doing that next time around.
Well, that and the camera up top. You know what? We could have a camera right there on the tripod and somebody moving around like an actual one. The GoPro. You've got 4 of them. You got 2 upvotes.
I'm gonna try loading that model and see if it works.
All right. So
for some reason, D-Bro's model is not loaded onto my car either. But I have one that is trying to load, which is, let me just check my list. It says,
if D-Bro's model does not go load on the car, this is game over for us because we know that stuff works.
Yeah, I've got Robin Castro DS loading at the moment, which is 3rd place on the Pro.
All right.
Appears to have loaded. We might have some exciting breaking news.
What? That it loads? Right. We have a model that loads?
Well, it says so in the console, so it must be true, right?
Oh, okay. Yes. So I have some insider Slack communication here from the DeepRacer team. Apparently, we're being watched by them. Hey, folks, how are you out there?
Oh, dear.
They would like to know what software version you are running on that car. Could you give me that information?
Not right this second, because we're trying to get the car to go. Come on, go.
Oh, it's moving. Oh, and it doesn't matter. It crashed. It moved. Don't worry. Thank you, Houston. I will get you that information. Yes, I left my Slack on for this communication with David.
Come on.
All right. It works on right-hand turns. All right, we're doing pretty good. I'm going to turn up your volume. I can hear it hit the wall. Hey, round. All right, folks, so here we are doing a circle lap. It's going to be a new addition to the track. No, don't quote me on that. Oh, nice smack. Oh, the llama even fell too. Oh, sorry. Oh, and it's off.
It went around left-hand turn. Come on, once.
Oh, there we go. Right around. Oh, man. I can tell you that, look, if you guys take a look at the time board, David's heart rate is jumped up. I mean, he's right now at 128, 130, and he is just trying to catch this. Oh, I think I get more entertainment out of your heart rate jumping up than this car. Oh.
Thanks, Thomas.
Oh man, this is pretty good. I'm sorry, David. I needed this lap. This is awesome. No, D-Bro, this is not your model. This is Robin DPS is an original one.
This is really hard wearing a face mask.
I am fully entertained. I definitely needed this enjoyment.
Oh, come on. Can we try a different model?
So, folks, I think we should take how many bets it's going to hit the wall in a minute. I mean, that seems to be the next logical step.
Oh.
Robin, that's good. Robin, I don't think that was your model. I gotta say that we need to try another one. So, hey, while you're looking at, can you tell me the software version? What?
On the car, yeah, give me a second. Software version 105.140, hardware version R2.1.
Whoa, slow down a little bit. 105.
Oh, God. I have to sit down. I'm shattered. 105.14. Sorry, 1.0.514.0.
All right. Hey, Houston, I hope you got that recording because like he went too fast and messed up a bunch of times and I couldn't type it. Actually, let's go back. What was the software version and slow down?
Okay, hang on a second. Oh, this is pressure. Right, software version is 1.0.514.0.
All right, cool. You all right, David? I was getting a kick. You were at like 135 beats per minute there. I want a little bit higher. You need to get that elevated.
I'm going to have to add in some code that records the highest heart rate during a timed session, just for presenting at the end. So the whole heart rate thing was jokingly has my track boss flatlined. While throwing a face mask and chasing this, I thought I might.
I'm gonna say you need to get into track boss shape here. Hopefully, you'll be actually running around chasing cars more often.
Yeah, I've got a month or two to go.
Oh man. Debro's saying the car could hit the wall 25 times. Andrew's saying over 9,000. I'm gonna say over or under.
Taking bets on how often the car.
I'm glad we got some people from the DeepRacer team watching us to see how the cars are doing and provide some real-time live feedback here.
No, there's not much feedback they can give on a car that's not going very far.
All right, so I have indication that is not the latest version for the car, just saying.
Awesome. Okay. What is the latest version?
1.0.626.0.
Cool. All right, I'll check a different car, but I think they're all going to be on the same version, so I need to do some updating of cars in the next week or two before the next event.
Yes. All right. And this person I worked with helped me out for the live reInvent I did there in Oscar. We worked over the weekend and got all these cars updated that were on very outdated versions. So it worked out pretty good. All right. So
we're going to try a couple more models. We've got a few more models we're going to try. We're going to see if we can either get a lap of the track or get a track boss killed, one of the two, and we'll go from there.
At least we're bringing some entertainment to the community. I hope everybody likes this. I know we don't have a lot of people watching, but this is going on the blooper reel. I'm saving this. Hopefully we'll paste this and send this out to the team for some reInvent rehash. No, just kidding. They probably won't take it, but.
Seeing as my falling over at reInvent in 29 didn't make it into the main reel, I'm not sure this will either.
It makes it into all my reels. Just be that way.
Yay.
I know it doesn't count for me, but still. All right.
I've got given a car, but I'm not sure of what state it's in. There's a discussion going on at in the pits about which car to run here.
All right. Seems like we're having an intense conversation on in the pits here. So, David, a couple of things noted. They want to see the replay of you taking off the track or taking off and changing tracks next time, or an overhead cam on how quickly you did it. Just a side note, we've talked about overhead cams. The other thing is a pit crew or better camera that we can follow you around at a different angle, or at least a track boss, not you in general, but so.
Yeah, that stalker cameras, we like to call that.
Yeah. Hey, whatever works. I heard you got plenty of GoPros for it.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah, so what we might do next time is we might see if we can get this room booked for like 2 days in a row and do a setup on 1 day test, and then we'll do the next day. We'll do the stream. Gives us a chance to get everything up and running. It's clearly not having done an event for a few months, apart from the fact the cars have now changed hardware or software version. They need to be updated. Also made us a little bit rusty.
So I have some insider information again. I have a, excuse me, it's coming in. David, can you test out a sample model by any chance?
Yep, if someone, what, one of the center line or something along those lines?
Yes. Do you have one
Or,
available?
yep.
All right. So we are going to do that. By the way, folks, what I am hearing in my ear or on Slack, because I'm just trying to be a little professional about it and it's not working, is a direct contact that they're watching the live stream and they want to test out to make sure that the models are behaving correctly. They shouldn't behave like that on the different software version, but we want to test it out because there's a couple of things going on and make sure everything's working. So
car.
yes, to Houston, we were going to
test
get that
centerline
tested
model.
for you.
I'm trying to connect from my phone.
Okay.
And so I need to fill the air here. Can we, where are we at? Oh, we're getting some viewers on there. All right. So all right, we're going on that. I am chatting with folks here in YouTube. Make sure you chat with me. Have any questions about it? I talk more about the models and how the car is working on the track, but to be honest with you, they're not working.
Okay, so try one of the default models. So center line.
All right.
Let's give it a try.
So, David, one thing we definitely have to work on is the track comms and on-off button, just because, and it's something that I did here for the PA Prime one, but I controlled it. I had a quick set for a mute button. All right.
Yeah,
what are we
actually
doing?
set up here with microphones, but they wouldn't work with the Blackmagic for some reason. So we switched back to using a AirPod. That's the word I'm looking for.
Hey, whatever works. In
we
fact,
got
I've defaulted to these.
Okay, let's go for it.
What do we got loaded?
This is DeepRacer 6. This is DeepRacer 6.
All right.
So hopefully
we have
I can just sit there and watch it.
On the track. Did your light out on the backside there? Yes, that would cause some of the issues. It got a little darker. David's running around. Hey, try not to switch the camera angles too quick. We can't get a feed on any of it. There we go. There we go. Okay. David, the current camera angle. Let the current camera angle stay. Can you tell him? There we go. All right. This is perfect. Oh, getting a nail on
Don't
that.
change the camera angle so much.
Ooh, what a smack.
We're getting some laps on the car, so but I guess the DeepRacer model. Oh, that's better. Oh, I went off there. That's a shame.
Yeah, yep, there it goes. Oh, man. All right, nice reset.
Whoa.
Hear that car? Oh, man, I can't see it from this angle, but I heard it.
Oh,
That same turn, where is that going off? Let me tell you what.
I think I'm just pushing it too fast on that corner.
All right.
You got professional driver in. He's making excuses for crashing.
Oh, hear that going? There you go. There you go. All right, let's slow it down. Let's get some laps there. Get a feel for it in the turns and when you can speed it. There you go. Perfect. All right, looking good right around there. Off just a little bit in that last corner.
That was your fault, John, for saying it was looking good.
Yes, it was. Commentator's curse. I haven't got a chance to say that the entire time. You're welcome. All right, here we go. Oh man, we're losing viewers. We need some crashing. We need some, you know, a box of doom, something. Throw it in there. Just kidding.
Oh, it made it. Wasn't expecting that. Sorry, DeepRacer.
That's all right.
That. Oh, not so good.
All right.
Is that time, is it? We're out of time on that model. So
Let's see if this
DeepRacer
works.
6 anyway.
Oh, I put it right in there. That was actually pretty good. Wait for it, folks. There you go. I love that. That was pretty good.
Can we try one of the default models? Do the centerline model. So it's going to load the centerline model. We'll give that a run around the track. That's on. Okay. Did you get the lap time down, John? The DeepRacer 6. I mean, it doesn't really matter.
No. Hold on 1 second. I forgot you were doing a lap time there. Okay, best lap of 10.538. 10.538. Were we using this model in any of the stuff?
No, we're just going to test the default centerline model now. See how that performs on the car.
All right, so the default centerline model is being tested. Indication that they're wondering if there's some lighting type. Oh, who is this? The centerline?
The centerline model, which is why it's now gone off the track. Obviously.
Missed the centerline. Okay, not a problem.
I think what I'll do is I'll come back up to the office sometime in the next couple of weeks and get all the cars updated. And then we'll try and do a test event before the next streaming event.
Sounds good.
Which obviously gives people more time to test and train models. So we'll sort out some more community races as well. But we'll get all the cars updated and fixed.
I think what we should do is the day before the next event, when you come in and do some testing, we'll do a recording here. And we'll, you know, mess around with it. We'll show everybody that it's working and we're ready to go. Now, obviously, something will break before we join. Don't worry about that. But hey, at least we know we're good to go. Maybe you'll do a quick track change on it.
I'll get a practice. I'll have to make sure I can get the office space.
All right.
Okay, try different pro model. Okay. Okay. Yeah, just stop. Which pro model are you going to try? So we're just going to try. We've got a couple of the pro models loaded from the Pro 1. So whoever won the community race, which is Debro,
Polish Thunder, Robin, and Andrew's on there.
Yeah, so we're going for the first place one, which is Debro. So we're going to give that a quick run around the track, see how it works out.
Oh, so you got them loaded?
We've got a couple loaded. Yeah.
All right.
That was a fast start there.
Wait, if you said 1, 2, 3, go, it's not go.
It's not. No. No. Do you want to try one of the other pro models and try and give that a go? And if that, stop. And if that doesn't work, I think we'll call it quits.
Yeah, do me a favor. Try loading the model and then loading the model again, like cancel and load it again. I want to see if, for any reason, I know we've got a couple things here in the chat that the second time around the model actually loaded. It's like rebooting the car to me. You never know.
Yeah. We'll turn the internet off and on.
Yeah, if you wouldn't mind. I think the power switch is right there behind the pillar.
I wonder what that switch was. Give it a try, and if not, just try loading the same model again. We've tried this model before. This one likes turning right. I'm not chasing.
Which one is this one?
Which model was that?
Pro 3.
Pro 3.
Okay, that was
so that
Robin.
Was, Robin Castro, yeah.
Try Polish Thunder for me. Try Daryl's.
Can you try Pro 2?
Pro 2, Pro 2.
If it's even in the list of models, it works. Okay. Not sure we have Pro 2 loaded onto the or loading in a state on the car.
Might have been the Evo one.
Oh,
Oh, did he test it out for an Evo?
I think so. What's the other Pro model you got on there? You got Pro 4 on there.
For now, I loaded the object. There's Pro 1, Pro 2, and Pro 3.
Okay, let's try Pro 3, Robin Castro.
First of all, I just loaded OA3, so this is also Robin Castro, but like single camera, I think.
Okay.
So
What do we got?
It can't be more successful than the other cars. I'll move it, shall I? Why doesn't the car back up? All right.
Whose is this?
Robin Castro.
The same one that was going left
No.
or right? Oh,
This is Pro 3. Oh, this is OA3 apparently, which you managed to load on a time trial car.
OA3 on a time trial car. Oh, I remember you mentioned this is Robin's. Okay, single cam. That's why.
Yep.
Oh, wow. The neural networks are already thinking that it's going to get multiple inputs, but it's not. So it's very interesting to see it hit the wall. Smack. See?
He's good at that.
Hey, that's pretty good.
I think I'm going to call this quits.
I think I agree with you, man. We're just entertaining here for the hour and trying to break some things. Somebody switch the camera over to David on his knees over there. I got the other cam.
Am I in camera?
I got the full. There we go. All right.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Hey.
All right, David, call it.
Yeah, not as successful as we'd hoped. We've got some things to fix, having not done an event this year, actually, in London. I'm going to try and convince Breadcentric to be our guest driver next time around as well. Here he is modelling a lovely Box of Doom t-shirt, but you might be out of shot. We'll work on the camera angles, we'll get the cars updated, and we'll sort some new community races out so we can get a new leaderboard, and we'll give a bit more time for people to get their models to us. And we'll do a test event the day before doing the actual streaming event. So, a day of learning, I guess, is the summary from here. Leave it as it is. Yeah, John, if you want to sign off, we're all good.
All right, thank you, everybody. I really appreciate it to the pit crew that helped, the community members, everybody that joined to watch us, all 12 of you. It's just fun and entertaining. Sorry about that. As always, we're trying to bring you the best quality, but this is the first of the year for David, so we got some things to work out. Stay tuned for some more communications into the machine learning community Slack and social media. I am your semi-host, John Meyer, and with us is David Smith. David, thank you.
Thank you.